Happy Doctors Day. Doctors are often given a godlike status in the world, and that is not without good reason. Though nowadays all the doctors are not ethical, but many doctors understand the true worth and the value of the profession they have chosen. Doctors' Day is precisely meant to celebrate and thank such doctors. In India, Doctors' Day is celebrated to honor the legendary Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. He is regarded as the best doctor of India has ever produced. He was honored with the India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, on February 4, 1961. The celebration of Doctors' Day is an endeavor to highlight the value of the doctors, and to do this, I am reciting my self-composed poem to our all regarding this matter. The name of the poem is Doctors' Day. Symbol is a red carnation. Why we will celebrate National Doctors' Day on 1st July every year in the country? Though all doctors are not ethical, but they are often given godlike status in the country. Doctors' Day is celebrated to honor Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, the legendary, who was the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, for his birth and death anniversary. Why we will celebrate Doctors' Day on 1st July in the country every year? This day honors doctors in India for their relentless service throughout the year. Doctors understand that they have chosen the true worth and the value of the profession. So Doctors' Day is precisely meant to celebrate and thank such selfless action. Why we observe National Doctors' Day on the 1st July every year in the country? Not just doctors. The day is meant for advancement and commemorate medical industry. Doctors' effort in bettering our lives through technology have been relentless. So Doctors' Day symbol is a red carnation, as flower stands for love, charity, sacrifice, selfless. Thank you.